is up, guys? Brit Tech here, back with another video, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to install software update 16.4.1. So let's get into it. Go ahead and open your settings, scroll down to general and select software update. And so for this specific update, iOS 16.4.1, you will have to download it first and then install. Mine has already been downloaded, and so I'm just going to walk you guys through the installation. Now, for this specific update, it provides important bug fixes and security updates for your iPhone, which include pushing hands emoji does not show skin tone variation. Siri does not respond in some cases. And so those are the two bug fixes that are being corrected. You can always click the Apple support link to find out more info. But yeah, guys, let's go ahead and install this. And so you go down to the bottom, select install now. It's going to have you put in your passcode. And then it's going to take you through a series of reboots. And once it is complete, you will see this screen on the software updates tab in settings. You will also see the same information on your lock screen. And so, yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.